they come, down the back straight, round turn 4, down the home straight, past the black flag, the Consilation is defended, Albi 402 in the lead, and a clever move there by 247, Chris Trickett, just to nudge him into Jimmy Randall, and that's given Chris Trickett the breathing space that he needs, looking to join his big brother in the final. 247, the leaders, 408 Randall, over Weather, trying to get back on top, and Simon Reed puts a huge hit in on Dean Goodell, on the pit bend. Chris Trickett, the race leader. 449, eyeing up the gate, and decides to wind him all over the armco. Nice one, Bill. Meanwhile, 247, the black jag of Chris Trickett, zipping down the back straight. Runner-up in last year's Firecracker. Final, can he go one better this? Looks to have got that car sorted after the problems in the opening race. In second place, it's still 208. Jimmy Randall running second. And on the back straight, oh my word! And he hit very truly a water hit by Luke Radley on number 33, Simon Reed. That was amazing. We're halfway there now, Sharon, and the hits are still coming, thick and fast. Martin Lord now having a go at Williams, trying to park him. Good move by Williams to avoid that hit. 4 laps to go now for Chris Trickett, 247. 208 in second place. 256 getting a black flag from Sharon and the other drivers. And here comes 247 with 3 laps to go. 208 in second place. And you know what? He's catching it. 208, Jimmy Randall is catching 247, Chris Trickett. As they go down the back straight, he's caught him. 247 and 208, nose to tail now.
That's it, inside.
And Trickett drifts wide, Randall nips through on the inside, and 208, Jimmy Randall is the new race leader, although the pair of them are so close here, we could be in for an exciting finish to the Consilation race with 1.5 laps to go. 54, Martin Lawton up into third place now, as 208 and 247 come round to start their final lap. Window gets the tricky treatment on the home straight, but he's still going. Could get worse. Oh, it does get worse! Dean Goodell could not resist it, and absolutely lifted it. What a hit by 271. Meanwhile, 208, Randall wins the Conti from 247 Trickett. And Paul Ring is still running in what's left of number 25. He's going to get him again? No. Okay, it's a red flag now, please, Sharon.